Is everybody ready to play? Then let's play at Chick. Welcome to my booty boardwalk. Here, how we're gonna play. Run for the star and go for the run. Treasure on the far aisle, pirates on the prowl, blasting cannons. It's time to run the gauntlet at Gumba's Booty Boardwalk. Chick. Yeah, sir. At least we're gonna play your game fair and square, running for the treasure and going for gold. Okay? The breezy board behind me goes straight to a pirate island. Get there as fast as you can. Chick, I await you there. I'll give you a free star every time you reach me. One more good thing about this game is that dolphin shuttles are standing by. They'll help you get down to the end faster. So spend away, competitors. Shout out coins for rides and candy to make the run again and again. Now let's see who goes first. Here we go. We got going yun! Now, I'm first. I'm third. It's fine. Kai is last. Now here's the game to get you going. Make the most out of these 10 pesos. Let's go. Where's the star? Way out there. At the far end of the boardwalk. Y'all reach me and get a star. That's a patch. But the patch harder than your Lark Grease Bank. But good luck. Good luck, runners. Come and see me if you really want to nab that star up. Let's go! Now let's start the game. Okay, Ate Tony Gonzaga, let's begin. One step lang, konti lang talaga yun. How is that even enough? Okay, Real Madrid, take it away. Psalm chapter 128, verse 1. Blessed are those who walk in the ways of the Lord and walk within the righteous ways. Here I come. Wish me luck. Yes. Oh, come on. This is so pathetic. Yes. Want to ride a dolphin shuttle, travel 20 space for 10 coins. Yes, sapat. I thought I would not get the lucky route because I already know what happens after 9 spaces at the start of your game. You will take the lucky route right away. I thought I had to pay 20 pesos for that matter, but thank God it's only 10 pesos. How cheap! Thank the Lord. Yay! Psst. Hey you! I know of an ancient island the riches of the outline of the crusty Captain Goombas. Hop on! And we're off! Yay! At least we're gonna get to the secret island! Maybe. The secret island! Yeah, I'm gonna get rich! I'm gonna get that bonus star! Yaha! One thing I should mention that you're stepping on sacred ground. Okay, have fun! Okay, people! What's up with that Shane Saba? I just don't know what she's up to this time. Whoa, how dare she copied me? Take it away! And don't forget Proverbs chapter 16 verse 28. Gossip destroys a friendship. And don't forget Acts chapter 27 verse 34. You need to eat food in order for you to survive. And don't forget Philippians chapter 3 verse 20. We're all citizens of Christ. Therefore, our citizenship is in heaven. And we eagerly wait for the promised Savior to save us. Okay, now let's play that 4-player minigame that we're asked to play. Really? I hate you all. Okay, next Bible verse, everybody. Baby. Galatians chapter 3 verse 10. Those who don't listen to the Lord lives under a curse. Proverbs chapter 2 verse 6. Wisdom comes to the Lord, who provides your protection wherever you go. Psalm chapter 104 verse 24. Because of the Lord's wisdom, He has made everything here on earth. Verse 27, we all eagerly wait for what the Lord has given us. And verse 33 says, you are such a great God, O Lord, and will give you praise for as long as we live. Matthew chapter 4 verse 10. Be gone, Satan, be gone. Worship the Lord your only God and serve him daily. Verse 4. Man shall not live on bread alone unless he absorbs every word that comes out from the mouth of God. Acts chapter 14 verse 22. Sacrifice your thank offerings for the Lord so that you will enter the kingdom of heaven. That's right, my kiddos. Now you're learning the word of God. Whoa! Nice one, Michael Sager. What did you ask the guard for? Anong tanong mo dyan, sir? Wow, astig ah. Free candy ah. Hanip. My turn. At least I'm in the lucky route now, so no. Nasa lucky route na ako. Here we go. Nueve ulit. Hanip. Who's there? Who dares to disturb our summer? Lead God's leader, beauty sleep. Well, now that you're here, what should we just do with you? Just take this and leave. Yay! Yaha! I got the star! Yay! Good job! That's right, baby Jairu! Now let's go on! And now we banish you. Be off. Thank you, sir! Shh. Quiet. Whatever. Now let's... Okay, we can make noise now. Back to the... Oh, come on. 20 pesos? Tarntado. Wala ba akong pera? Di ba alam, may parang kasi Panginoon sa amin lahat. Kung may pera, hindi. Kung sakali may pera, baka yun. What are you doing now, Hyacinth? Don't you dare, Hyacinth. Unless you just want to kiss my pussy. Ew! Fuck! I'm gonna get revenge on you, Hyacinth. I'm really gonna get revenge on you. Just wait and see. Next! I hate you all! I hate you all! Don't you dare shoot a bomb on me, niggas! Let the game begin! Get the fuck off me. Okay. Jesus! Fuck! Yay! Yeah, we ready to beat that Rafi. Good job, JM! Aba, Fiang, galing mo talaga mag-beat si Rafi. Fuck it over! Stupid, tantado, gago, epal, puwisit, inutil, Pasensya na po, wag ka na magmura, wag ka na magalit. Thank you, sir! Next round, everybody! I'll get revenge on you, Kylie Alcantara! Kai! Ani! You asshole! Ina mo, mga bobo kayo, mga buisit kayo. Wala kayo lang, doon na kayo, parang squatter na talaga mukha mo. Anyway, going back to the next psalm. Let's read the Bible. Psalm chapter 141 verse 1. I cried out to the Lord and called him for mercy. And verse 4 says, don't let your heart be drawn to the wrong stuff. Do what is right. Proverbs chapter 23 verse 22. Always be considerate to your parents. Acts chapter 1 verse 5. For John was baptized with water, now we are baptized with the Holy Spirit. Verse 24. Oh Lord, you know our hearts. Please teach us to do what is right. Romans chapter... Whoa! Wow, galing! How the heck? Bro! Yeah, Luigi. Meg St. Felix! I have no idea that you're gonna copy me. Oh. Ginagay mo ako, putang mo talaga. Naswerte na ako. Well, I just know you got lucky there, bro. Anyway, enjoy your stay. I'm gonna get revenge on you. Putang mo, Evelyn. I don't care now, shut up! Gago kasi. Wala kang tuda. Here we go, Raisa. I'm gonna beat you up. Yes! Ano? Sana sapat, sana sapat, sana sapat. Puta! Ino mo talaga, Ate Melay. Mga gago. Mga gago. Mga ewan. Mga buwisit. Mga ewan. Sir, bawal magmura dito. Sorry. I wonder what's up with that Fiang right now. What is she buying already? Weird. Okay, time for the next game. Make it an easy one. Make it an easy one. Just make it a super duper easy one just for me. Asshole. Hi! Matulog na lang tayo mga bobo kayo. Huwag na tayo magdaldal. Mga bisit kayo. Wala kayo alam. Parang buhay mo to na kayo sa squatter. What the heck? What the heck? Yes! Mga bobo, mga gago, mga eva, mga buwisin, mga tarantado, mga puta na kayo. Okay, here's the 5 verse I'm gonna tell you. Next! Psalm chapter 120 verse 1. Oh, verse 1 to 2. Oh Lord, please help me whenever I'm in distress, and save my language from saying spiteful remarks against people. And Proverbs chapter 12 verse 25. Worrying makes you sad, but singing praise to the Lord will make you very happy. Okay, Michael Sager. Just do whatever you... Ha, hindi, bisa lang, wala ka dyan. Okay. Dalawa lang, ano ba yan? Ephesians chapter 6 verses 1 to 2. Children, it's always important to obey your father and mother, for it is a promise, and it's a spiritual act of worship. So yeah. Okay, straight Saba. Or Carmel. Bilisan mo naman ng Carmel. Bilisan mo ba para ano yung balak mo dyan? Next minigame, everybody. That game is so easy. Alright, Patrick! Alright, Jazz, let's work together. Here we go! Stay away! What the heck? Whoa, what the heck? Yo, bro, Michael Sager, don't get lost. Oh no, here comes trouble. Jesus! I didn't even see that fucking wall! Puta, ina tartado. Malas. Gago. Ibali, okay lang yan. May palag na ako sa susunod. Anyway, here's some more Bible verses. Psalm chapter 149 verse 6. May all the praises dedicated to the Lord be spoken right out of our mouths. Proverbs chapter 28 verse 4. Always remember to abide the law. Don't forget 2 Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 17. Encourage yourself to fill your heart with good deeds, with every good deed of God's word. Acts chapter 9 verse 6. Jesus told us to go into the city for He'll tell us what to do now. And verse 16. The Lord will show us how much you have to suffer for His name. And don't forget, what else? Romans chapter 16 verse 17. Better watch out for divisions or hindrances that will divide us from going to God. Whoa! Alright, Kuya Ken-chan, just claim your prize! Nasa iyo na yan! Yeah, Luigi got the prize. Okie dokie. Thank you. Nice one, Biggs. Uy, gago, ginaya mo ako. Swabe. Galing naman talaga, no? Sayang, if only I can call Kuya Emil Sumangil for help. Sayang lang yun. Di bale. Wow, nice! That's right! Yay! Daisy got the star! Come on, everybody. Let's get this party started. Yeah, got the star! Hooray! Wow, that's so smart, Rain. You really are the first one to get that star. I wish I could. But don't worry, I'll get them someday. You can always come back anytime you want. Even though you got already a star from me, you can always run back to me and get another one until your game's over. Good luck, runners. Wahaha! You know what time it is? It's time to take me a bath. I have ordered $1 million for someone who will massage me. Ah, that's the life. Don't worry, I'm doing my stuff, sir. Ah, that's the spot. Keep going. Make it fast. Ah. Ah. Perfect. Thank goodness I'm all nice and clean. Clean as a whistle. Ruff, 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 ruff. Wah! Good luck in your next game. Thanks for that intermission, sir, but we don't need you right now. Now, Romans, okay. Whoa, what's up, bro? Oh. My turn. Yes. What the heck? Lol. Ha, lol, Michael Sager. You were not able to get the star. So bad for you. Chapter 2, verse 25. Each and every one start managing by their own families and caring for their families. Of course, you know how to get into the church. And Romans chapter 2, verse 1, it says, nobody can be the high race of the universe, never race everybody within the law. Unless they meditate each and every day and night, they will be meditating and conscious of sin. It's time for a battle minigame! I'll gather up coins from each player, and the winner will keep the lion's share. Okay, pitch in your coins, everyone! Magkano yung bayad? 20 pesos! Ibigay mo na yung 20 pesos mo, mga bobo kayo! 69 pesos lang? May kulang naman kayo! Now, which minigame will decide who gets all these coins? Asa na yung minigame na yan? Ibigay mo na! Walang kwenta naman yun. No! Ha! Take that, Ravi! Take note, we're really gonna defeat you now. Wish you good luck! Don't worry, we'll be the last man standing. Take care of that. Bobo kayo, magkakaw kayo. Lagi yung mga iwan. Salbay kayo. Takin mo. Ayaw ko na mag-interfere. Lahat kayo, mga bobo kayo. Hoy, kao ka naman na yan. Takin mo. Hoy, Stephanie! Pumatay ka na, bobo ka. Wala kang kwenta. Bumas ka na dito, takin mo talaga. Hoy, kago wag sa akin. Wala akong kasalanan, mga bobo kayo. Lahat kayo, mag-away na kayo, mag-partagulan dyan. Hoy, kago lumamas ka na dyan. Get the hell out of here. Uy, gago, malapit na yan, ha? Malapit na yan. Bukas ka na dyan, Michael Sager. Nazi magdani, putain mo talaga. Uy, gago, no! Yan! Isa na lang. Ako na. Si Lolong namatay na. Kumulong yan si Lolong. Matay ka na, Nazi magdani, putain mo talaga. Wala kang kwenta, wala kang tuda sa akin, mga buka. Mga puwisit, mga gago, mga epal. Uy, tartado, malapit na yan. I'll just wait until you come up the edge. Uy, gago, hindi ka pa tapos. Matay ka na. Mas ka na dyan, puwisit ka. Yan! Putain mo kayong lahat! Lahat kayo namatay! Ako yung banana, mga bobo kayo! Wala kang kwenta, putay mo! Oh, di ba? Ang galing ko, no? Mga gago kayo, mga epal kayo, mga gago, mga epal, mga buwisi, mga tang, mga puta na! Bawal magmura. Ano? Gusto mo magkaibigan tao? Hindi. We will be friends. Oh, bakit kailan ka nagmura? Oh, kasi nga lahat sila mamatay. Di pwede yan po, sir. Di pwede ka magmura sa mga kaibigan mo. Masama yan. Pasensya na po, sir, ha? Okay lang po. Pero, sa susunod, hindi kita bibigyan ng start kapag nagmura ka. Okay? Tandaan mo yan, ha? Yes po, sir. Okay. Okay, everybody! Eto na, mga kamamilya! Ako na talaga ang aming bayad para sa mga dolphin. Para mamanalo na ako, mga bobo kayo. Anong sabihin ko? Okay! Hoy, gago! Tainga mo! Tainga mo talaga, Tony Gonzaga! Bobo, malapit ako sa between na yan. Tainga mo! Pardo, I really knocked you out. I defeated Rafi. At tinegi, putang mo talaga. Malapit na ako sa between. Alam mo, sir, alam mo yun yung dahilan kung bakit ka nag-blow out ka. Dahil nagmura ka. Huwag ka magmura para hindi walang kama sa mga kaibigan mo. Sorry po, sir, pasensya na po. Kailangan ko magmanalo eh. Okay, Real Madrid, don't forget. Wow, galing naman talaga. May payback na naman. Anong klaseng payback yan? Walang kwenta. Anyway, dahil dyan, may Bible verse ako para sa'yo. Matthew chapter 8 verses 2 to 3. The man with leprosy asked Jesus to wash him and cleanse him to be clean. And he was clean. Proverbs chapter 3 verse 29. Huwag ka na mag-gawa ng kahit anong masama na magalit natin mga kaibigan mo sa'yo. Palatandaan, huwag ka palagi magmura. Kapag palagi magmura ka, wala kang karapat-dapat maibigan si Diyos. Di bale kung ano yung balak dyan. Ano ba yan? Si Pilate. Uy, galing naman talaga. Hoy, hanep! Swabe naman. Diyan na indanan. Lapit ka na punta sa finish line. And don't forget, Galatians chapter 5 verse 5. It is to hope that we eagerly await for the Spirit of righteousness which we're waiting for. That's so weird. I've never noticed anything like that already. Hindi ko napansin, gago. Hoy, gago ko na talaga yung monkey dyan. Sana dapat yung maiksi lang, ha? Sana dapat yung madali. Yan! Puta, hindi lahat kayo mamatay dyan. Bobo kayo kasi. Walang kwenta, walang duda, mga gago. Puta, hindi talaga. Oh, putang mo talaga. What's your name? Ate Colleen, putang mo talaga. Dahil ikaw, Jazz. Putang mo talaga. Che, Kuya Dong, putang mo talaga. Lumas ka na dyan, buisit! Ha? Putang mo! Lahat kayo namatay dahil sa akin, mga bobo kayo, mga buisit kayo, mga tarantado, mga puta yata kayo. Lalo na si Ate Negi, wala siyang kwenta. Tapos malapit ako sa bituin. Tapos ito naman, pinahuli. Tumahimik ka. Sorry po. Wow, galing naman talaga ni Michael Sager. Ano ba yung balak niya? Okay, give me the good item. Yan! Magpasalamat tayo sa Panginoon. Sana Lord may maganda. Sana Lord may maganda doon. A warm welcome to my candy craft. No junk here. I sell only candy that's filled with juicy tricks. I'll get this one so I can run. Para magtakbo na ako like Running Man. Para I can habol na to the star. Thank you, Mom! Oh, malap. Uy, sayang. Bale. Anyway, I have another song to share with you. Psalm chapter, ano yun? Correct. Philippians chapter 2, verse 4. Consider the interests of others rather than looking at your own interests. Psalm chapter 128, verse 4. It says, our help is in the name of the Lord, who is the maker of heaven and earth. Matthew chapter 24, verse 25. Heaven and earth will pass away, but God's will never pass away. Therefore, keep and watch, for you may never know when the Lord will come. That's all. Kaya na, mag-learn na tayo, mga bobo kayo. Wala kayong kwenta, wala kayong duda, malapit na ako sa between. Papanalan ko ng between dyan. Huwag na tayo mag-sign yung oras, mga bobo kayo, mag-buisit kayo. Takin ko talaga. Ayoko talaga yung lahat yung malas dito sa laro to. Give it to me, Adam, you asshole! Uy, gago ka! Kai! Kulit! Huwag ka namin makulit. Tayo mo talaga. Hoy, nasa na? Yan! Wala ko na pumatapos. Hoy, nasan? Akin yung bola na yan. Hoy, kaya ba Janina Chan, mga boka? O Ate Iya Arellano. Hoy, gago! O Ate Naomi from Chikadora. Ikaw talaga yung puro chika ni Chan, mga boka. Nakikino mo talaga. Yan! Alis ka na Chan. Hoy! Yan! Isa na lang, boka. Charlie Flames, malapit na tayo matapos! Hoy! Gago ka kasi! Patuloy mo ako! Gago ka! Hoy, gago! Ano to? Si Camille Villar, sana mo sa nanalo? Ino mo talaga, Sarge 30, wala kang kwenta. Ino mo talaga. Bale, kung may balak ako, may balak talaga si Jesus para sa'yo. Mamatay ka na, mo. Yay! Run! Okay, here's the next Bible verse. Galatians chapter 5, verses 22 to 25. The fruit of the Spirit gives love, joy, peace, and all good moral conduct values which are not against the law. For if we belong to Christ, we will have to do everything right for him. And we have our sinful desires washed away. Therefore, we should keep track of our spirit. Here I come, ready or not, here comes my plan. Wag na ako. Wala na akong problema. Mga bobo ka, Michael Sager. Sanatap, or Mixed Phoenix. Or Kuya Kim De Leon. Putay na! Isa lang! Kantado! Walang kwenta naman yung die na yan, mga bobo ka. Bullshit. Malas lang talaga yung die na yan. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Ewan ko lang talaga. Die na talaga. But anyway, just what I said, Psalm chapter 109 verse 4. Verse 15 says, "May their sins always remain before the Lord." And verse 3 says, "With their mouths they really extol the Lord." Hey, I hate that game, putang mo talaga. Na, you can't catch me. Fuck you. Gago ka kasi. Patay ka na. Wala kang kwenta. Yan! Sofia Pablo, kunin mo na. Kunin mo to. Putang mo talaga. Huwag ka mangakyat. Gago. Hoy, gago. Yan. Tas. Uy, gago! Bale! Ay, nako, iwan ko na sa'yo. Please naman talaga ni Shane Sava. Walang kwenta naman talaga. I'm the winner! You can't catch me! Ewan ko na sa'yo. Zephany naman talaga. Bilis naman talaga. Laki mga kakampi ko. Hindi niya naniniwala. Mga bobo ko sila. Anyway, here comes the last one. Psalm chapter 135 verse 5. Our God is a great God. Moreover, He's the greatest King among all the other gods. 1 Timothy chapter 5 verse 2. Treat everyone in absolute purity. Verse 4. Everyone should start managing for their own families, for it's a spiritual act of worship. Here I come, yo! Sana madali. Verse 5. If ever you feel depressed or ashamed, just call for the hope for the Lord. And Romans chapter 5 verse 8. While we're still sinners, Christ died for us. Whatever, just give me a good number. Please, Lord. Ay, naku, malas yung 1. Ano ba yan? Malas yung tie na yan. Tayo talaga. Pero di ba, at least naman I got the advantage to, ano yun? Right, the 12 pin. Yan! Tara na, sakay na, mga bobo kayo. Para mas mabilis. Romans chapter 5 verse 3. It is good to suffer for the Lord, for it gives us hope, joy, and perseverance. What the heck? No! Hi, malapit na ako sa ano yun? Sa bardagulan ng walang kwenta. Ha! Putay mo talaga, Shanti from Lapinus! Wala kang kwenta! Tumayo ka na! Dahil kay Yapi, tingnan mo na nangyayari sa akin. Puta na talaga si Yapi na yan! Oo, tingnan mo! Naulo ka na! Wala kang pake! Lumas ka na dito, puta mo! Mga ewan ka? Zephany, or Vanessa Peña, or sino ba, or Annie, or Raisa, or Kay, or Eunice, you're just a fucking damn shit! Wala kang kwenta, pinablow ng ina, mga bobo ka! Here we go! Ay nako, bilisan mo. Huwag na maging mabagal dyan. Ay nako. Gago! Ano ba to? Malas! Putay nga talaga. Tantado. Gago. Inutil. Tantado. Putay nga talaga. Malas. Bali, okay lang yun. What is important, just a few steps. I can go to the star already. Sana Chan, sana please. Hanep ha? Eto na sir! Mampuna na ako sa bituin! Ay, nako, malapit na. Malas. Di bali, okay na yan. Basta na just one more step. I'm already safe and sound in that area. Oh yeah, don't forget Psalm chapter 125 verse 4. Do good, O Lord, to those who do good on you. Do good, O Lord, because for our hearts are so upright to you. Proverbs chapter 25:16 verse 1. Whatever plan you have in store, the Lord will always find a way for us. And don't forget Matthew chapter 25 verse 34. Those who have been realized and now receive their inheritance, for now the kingdom of heaven has been prepared for them. Ah, that's so easy. Mag-relax muna tayo sa laro na to. Here I come! My masterpiece! Take it away! One lang. Pero di bale, okay na yan. Dahil po... Hi, sir! Nandito na ako para sa'yo! Shhh! Relax ka lang. Ako na mag-uusap. Scurvy dog. Eto na. Alam ko na kailangan mo. I suppose you want one of my treasured stars. Fair enough. You came a long way. Parang naisipan ko gusto mo isang precious na treasure na to ah. Eto na, bibigay nito sa'yo. Pero kailangan sa susunod sa susunod na laro, hindi pwede ka magmura na lang ng 30, okay? Opo sir! Sige, bigay ko na. Wow! Maliwanag na bituin! Yaha! I got the star! Oh, masaya ka na, no? Masaya ka na. Pero palatandaan, be nice to your friends. Maging mabait ka ha? Mabait ka ha? Good boy? Yes po. Talaga ba? Yes po sir. Sige po. Pero babalik ka ha? This time, mas mabait ka na. Opo sir. But can you press me again? Back to the start with your seagulls attack. Back to the start with your seagulls attack. Paalam po. Take care. Babalik ka dyan, ha? Mag-ingat ka. Great.